Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today I'm showcasing what I truly believe is the best handheld rechargeable label maker, the Phomemo D30. Let's start with its design. The Phomemo D30 is compact and incredibly portable, measuring just around 131.5 by 75 by 29 millimeters and weighing approximately 153 grams. That makes it perfect for carrying around whether you're at home, in the office, or even on the go. Now, onto its core feature. It uses inkless thermal printing technology. That means no messy ink cartridges, ribbons, or toners. Just insert thermal label tape, and you're ready to go. Plus, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Connectivity and control are handled via Bluetooth through the Printmaster app, available on both Android and iOS. Within the app, you'll find a treasure trove of creative options, over 1,000 icons, dozens of frames, patterns, fonts, even barcode and QR code generation. You can import images, create tables, add timestamps, use OCR, and even enjoy voice recognition features. Printing quality is sharp. 203 dots per inch resolution ensures crisp text and artwork, and the printhead boasts a lifespan of up to 50 kilometers of printed labels. Power-wise, the D30 runs on a built-in lithium battery and includes a micro USB charging port. A full charge gives you around 1.5 hours of printing time, more than enough for typical home or office projects. Versatility is another strength. It supports both pre-cut label rolls, commonly 12 by 40 mm, and continuous label tapes ranging from 12 to 15 mm width. You'll just need to ensure the app matches the label size, especially when using pre-cut labels to avoid misalignment. Operating the D30 is simple. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to switch it on. A single press feeds a label, and double press prints a diagnostic page. The LED indicator light lets you know about its status: green for normal, blinking green for charging, slow red blink when the battery is low, and fast red blink when critically low. In real-world use, it's perfect for organizing anything from school supplies to kitchen jars, office folders, cables, or crafting tools. Its portability and sleek aesthetic, available in several vibrant colors, make labeling enjoyable, not a chore. Plus, there's no need to register an account in the app. It can be used anonymously. To wrap up, the Phomemo D30 earns my top recommendation as the best handheld rechargeable label maker. Its compact design, ink-free thermal printing, robust app with endless design options, decent battery life, and ease of use all combine to make organization effortless and stylish. If you're looking to tidy your space smartly and creatively, this one's a no-brainer. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.